Guys, so we are at Dudhsagar railway station. We have got down somewhere in the middle of the jungle, and the trek starts from here. It's approx 1 or 2 kilometers from here, the Dudhsagar waterfall. So we'll be trekking to the Dudhsagar waterfall. Hi guys, so it's early morning and we are again trekking towards the Dudhsagar fall. We got down somewhere from the train and we trekked around 4-5 kilometers to a particular place, and we came to a temple which was there below, got freshened up, and again we are trekking back to the waterfall. So it's gonna take another probably 2 hours and then we'll be reaching the waterfall. But we'll be taking some good drone shots between the trek and I'll be showing you the crazy view from there. So let's go watch the ultimate Dudhsagar fall and enjoy the view. It's very tiring. So basically Dudhsagar is situated on the borders of Karnataka and Goa. This is basically Goa, and in front of me, that side, it's all Karnataka, like that side. So it's between the two states and the views are like really crazy. I'm totally loving the weather, the fog, the climate, the mountains. It's all good. So let's hope for a better weather for the drone so that I can stake out and capture some amazing shots. Just look at those beautiful fog there. How amazing this scene is. Now the real OGs, I will show you the view from far of the Dudhsagar. So if you see, that's the Dudhsagar. All the time and yeah, hopefully the rain should stop and we fly the drone and capture the real beauty. So that's the Dudhsagar view for you all. Enjoy the views. Guys, so there are 2-3 ways how you can reach Dudhsagar. Most preferably way is train way. So if you are coming to Dudhsagar, you can get down at Sunaliam, and from here you have a trek of 3 kilometer approx, which will take 1.5 hour if you're walking normally. So you can get down here and just walk to the waterfall, or you can get down before the Dudhsagar waterfall. There is a station called Dudhsagar station where you can get down, which is 1 kilometer away from the waterfall. So mostly train does not stop at that station, but if it stops, you can probably get down there, which will be easy for you. Also, there is one more station which is at the back. The station the station name I'll put it here. So that station you can get down, and there is a trek for 10-11 kilometers, so you can do that trek as well. So if you are coming, you can come by train and you can reach this particular waterfall. Else there is also jeep rides which are available, so you can come to a particular place and from there the jeeps will carry you. That's a forest department service, so you can pay to the jeep and you can come here if you don't want to trek. So yeah, that's how you can reach Dudhsagar waterfall. How's the experience? How's the experience?
So crazy, bro. Like with the rain, you know, I can't explain for anything else, you know. It's amazing.
Yeah, so as you heard my boy saying it's amazing, which means it's amazing. So yeah, let's chill. What do you say, Charan?
It's crazy, awesome.
Woohoo! The boys are excited, and here is our Baba guy. Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Excited, huh?
Yeah, bro. It's really awesome weather and we are not able to see the view of the waterfall. So we are disappointed and waiting for weather to clear.
Awesome. Still, we flew a drone in this weather and got some crazy shots. So yeah, let's chill and keep watching. So guys, I am at the Dudhsagar waterfall and I cannot describe the beauty. So I just want you guys to experience the beauty all by yourself. So here's the fall. Wow. Can you believe it? So there's a few part which is not visible, so it's still far. It's not visible. And it goes all the way to there. The weather here is really crazy and I cannot describe the vibe we are getting here. It's really amazing, and you know, people are actually trekking from there. So you can see there are people visible there, so you can actually trek to that spot and you can come here. The view is amazing. The view is amazing. And that will be a wrap from the Dudhsagar waterfall. I'll see you in another video. Till then, enjoy.